Hello, greetings all. Here again to remind you about democracy going on in Nigeria. That Nigeria is tired of the military democracy. And not only that, Nigeria is tired of Atiku Obasanjo third time. And at the same time, tired of Buhari second time. Atiku came to United States just of recent. He rushed in on Thursday and checked out on Friday. And there are some discrepancy in the interview between him and the Ali Mustafa of Sokoto, who claimed is a staff of the Voice of America. All that interview is totally a frame interview. Ali Mustafa, according to his interview, asking him, saying that after he has met with a high-ranking congressman, high-ranking congresswoman, that they were in support of his candidacy. The congressman, that is a fake news. That is one of the fake news Donald Trump is talking about. And that one can lead to the cybersecurity. There is nothing like that. No congressman has invited you. And no any congresswoman has invited you. And he has never had any interaction with the congressmen or congressmen because they don't know what is going on in Nigeria. And they are not concerned about his candidacy as the presidential candidate. And he even claimed that some of the organization invited him. He has never mentioned the organization that invited him. No organization can invite you. And if organization invited you, why did they invite you for? Is it the continuation of the sabotage you have done, he has done, when he was the vice president under Obasanjo, which Buhari claiming that there is a $16 billion missing for electricity. And even the Obasanjo himself has accused Atiku himself that he did a lot of sabotage as his vice president to Nigeria. Does the organization invited him to continue the business of the transformer he has been buying? I entered United States in 2008. The electricity have never went off for 1 hour. And this is one of the people who sabotage our electricity. The organization you claim that invited you, are they the one part of the $60 million that got lost when you are vice president? Are they selling the insulators, isolators, circuit breakers, transmission line, transformer, or circuit breakers for your company? Or what is this about? Are they part of it? Even Shawari was talking about electricity, he doesn't know what he's talking about. That's why he starts just making noise. If you ask the Atiku, the type of transaction he has with those organizations he claimed it when he was the vice president, are they part of the business transaction he was doing when he was the vice president? Nigeria is tired of Atiku Obasanjo third time. It is time for us to wake up. And not only that, it should not involve congressmen to his candidacy, as he has contradicted the former Congressman William Jefferson, who does not even have met him in his life, who has never even seen him. You came to America to convince Nigerian citizens that you don't have any atrocity for entering the United States. Why are you mentioning the congressman? Does the congressman invite you? Congressman has nothing to do with your invitation to the United States. Aliyu Mustafa and Atiku are just trying to frame unnecessary things. And not only that, he's checking in the hotel Thursday and check out on Friday. If you have waited for a week or 2 weeks in order for us to be confused that you don't have any criminal problem in the United States. Are you going to tell us how you looted 8 years, looting in US, looting the Nigerian treasury, which even Obasanjo, who was your president, accused you of wrong thing inside his book he published? Enough is enough. We are tired, and the whole world, Nigerian citizens, are tired of military democracy. And Obasanjo cannot be dictators. Dictator for us. He said it's not sponsoring anybody. Now, it's clearly now that he's sponsoring Atiku after they have solved the differences between both of them. He did the same thing for Buhari when he came down to Institute of Peace, when Buhari first of all became the president. He defended him. I even interviewed on that day. Your Excellency, what is the causes of Boko Haram? He said, Jonathan caused the Boko Haram. And I asked him, why you not together with him? And when he was trying to be aggressive, as a senior man, I cooled down. I don't want to argue with him. Which he later realized he made a mistake by very aggressive. Enough is enough. We should wake up from our sleep since independence of Nigeria, Federal Republic of Nigeria. The people who fought for our independence, we are there today, they are not living today. And the military boys have done a lot of intervening to Nigerian democracy. We are now appealing to them, begging them, for God's sake, to have their hand in Nigerian democracy. Enough is enough. Tafawa Balewa, Sardauna Sokoto, Obafemi Awolowo, those are the politicians who fought for our independence. We are there today. If somebody will dictate, it is the politician who should dictate for the democracy of Nigeria, not a military man. Obasanjo accused Buhari, and we also join him to abuse Buhari, calling him Seriki Tulasi. With what is going on between the Obasanjo now and Atiku, Obasanjo also should be regarded as Seriki Tulasi, senior Seriki Tulasi. Buhari is a junior Seriki Tulasi for sponsoring the Abubakar, whom Tafa Abubakar Atiku, whom he has accused of corruption when both of them were ruling Nigeria for good 8 years. Enough is enough. We continue our campaign tomorrow. May God help Nigeria and make Nigeria great again. As Donald Trump has claimed that he wants to make America great. We also, our agenda is to make Nigeria great. Nigeria is not part of the G20. Some countries who are part of the G20 today, they get their sources to Nigeria. Tunisia, the greatest thing they are doing all in palm oil business, they got the product from Nigeria. They are not part of the G20. Brazilian, who Nigeria is greater than before, are now part of the G20. Is that not a shame for us? If you wake up and say no to Atiku Obasanjo time, and say no to former minister of Obasanjo, the woman who was a minister under Obasanjo regime, say no, she go and rest. We don't want the Jerry Ghana also should go and rest. Enough is enough. They should have the same parties for Nigeria and the children who are still young and the children yet unborn. Make Nigeria great again.